Hi, I am Rahul Prajapati and I am making this video to showcase the project I have built for magnet brains assignment. Okay, so I was provided with these tasks. We have to create a simple task management application, and the system requirements were we should be able to create a task, list task, show the details of a task, then should be able to edit a task, delete a task, and mark its status. And the application should have a user authentication, and we should move the task according to their priority. Okay, so let's okay so first of all, I have uploaded this project code on my GitHub. uh, yeah so for in the repository magnet brain assignment, I have uploaded both the front end and back end code, and I have added a small readme to go through the project. So start we are starting with the we reviewing source code of the application. So first of all, we will view the backend code of the application. So this is the folder structure of the backend. We have several folders and files. Like in configuration, I have db.js in which we connect the database. Then there is model for task model and user model. We have the respective controllers for both the models and the respective routes. And for a utility, we have JWT middleware for authentication. In JWT middleware file, we have two functions. First is generate token function, which will provide us with a token. Then we have authenticate user function, which will authenticate our user. So this was for the backend code. There are some other files as well, like .tnb. So I will not be pushing this file, although there is no secret in it. Means so I have this .env.test file, which is a replica of .env file. And in, let's see, package.json. So I have used these libraries, bcrypt.js for encrypting the password, .env, express.js as framework, then JSON web token, and mongoose ODM. For the development dependencies, I have node. So this was the backend code. Let's see the front end code. So this is the front end code. We have this is the source folder. So there is app component. In app component, I have described the pages we will have in our application. Like using the React router, I have described this. There will be /login page, register page, then there is /page, which will be user dashboard page. Then there is a task page to view a task. Then there is edit task page where we will edit a task, and there is not found page. All these pages component will be found in /pages folder. Then their respective means of whichever component I have created inside these components, those components will be found in component folder. So for user state persistence, I have used context API, React context API actually. I didn't use any state management library like just and triggers, because it was a simple task, and we could use context API for it. So in context API, this is the code for context API. There is not so much of the code, to be honest. It is just holding one state only. is authenticated, which will be used by our protected route component. uh, Here I have user and token as well, but I'm not using user and token to store any user information right now. So this was the for the context. In utility, I have some other functions which I have used in the application, like date converter. So the input date we get from the input field, that should be changed to ISO string, so we have ISO converter. And the uh, sorry the due date we are getting from the backend, that should be converted uh, to a required format. So we are using uh, to input data for function. So this was for the front end code. I have not used many of the libraries here. um, I have used just React Router, Tailwind CSS for styling, and Axios for API call, and Lucid React for icons. Although for Axios I have this service, API service. So whichever API call I'm making, all those functions will be found here. And in our pages, I have used this API service to make calls to the backend, like user dashboard. So here we have fetch data function, where we are using API service, and list task function to get our task list. So this was for the front end part. You can view the code on GitHub. Although currently I have not added any comment to the project, so it will not be good to view the code. Readability is not good right now. So let's move to the demo version of our application. So this is the demo version, and this is the starting point of the demo version application. If we go to the slash, then we are not we have not any logged in, so we will be forwarded to login page, redirected to login page. So to create a account, we can use register here. If we have already an account, then we can log into it. I will create one account for the example. So we will go to register a new user. To register user, we will provide the name. Okay. Okay, so after registering, we will be redirected to home page. Here all the tasks will be displayed. Currently there is no task, so we are getting displayed an empty page. We are viewing an empty page, sorry. So by clicking on this add task, we can add a new task. So when we click on add task, a form will be open, and we can fill the details here, like title. So fly a kite. Then we can select the due date by which we have to complete it. Then we can set its priority. Currently it's low, medium, or high. And we can give a description. Prepare for Sakranti. And save. So in a card format, a card of task will be displayed here, like the title of the task will be displayed here, then due date, then its priority, and and its status. Currently it's pending, it's not done yet. We can mark it complete or edit it or delete it from here. On clicking on this title, we will be redirected to task page, where we can view the details of this task, like title, due date, then description for the task, and then its status and priority. And we have some operational buttons here, like mark complete, edit it, and delete a task. Let's edit it. Okay, so on edit page we can update the details of our task, like fly 5 kites. Okay, and then we can set the priority as well, and the updated card will be displayed on home page. Okay, so this was for the edit button. We have mark complete as well. So by clicking on this button, our task will be marked as done. Okay, so it's completed now. We have another button, operation button, like delete task. By clicking on this task, our task will be deleted. It will ask for a prompt. Okay, we will click on OK to delete the task. So this is how we can delete a task. Let's add another. So this new task is created, and we can perform same operations from here as well. Mark it complete, then edit it, then delete it. If we click on edit, we can edit it. Let's set its priority to medium, then save it. So our application, sorry, so the task is set to medium now, and we can click on mark complete to complete it. We will click on mark complete. So okay, it's showing done. Then we can click on delete to delete this task, and our task will be deleted, and empty page will be displayed. Okay, so I have another account to show the pagination task. So let's log out. Then there is aman@mail.com password. Okay, not this. Yeah, so here we have some more tasks. Around 11 tasks I have created in this account. So according to due date, means whichever task is near, that will and whose priority is high will be displayed on the top. Okay, so high priority tasks will be displayed first, and so here this task is on 22 and it is on 16, so 16 is displaying first. Then there is fifth task, which is on 8th of January, but it have medium priority, so it will be displayed later. Okay, so we have these pages as well. Currently the window I have set to 2. We can increase this window. If we click on this number 2, we will be shown second page. Okay, if we click on this arrow, then our page will also be changed, and our window will be move forward. So currently it's on 2. Now click it again, and our page will be changed to 3. And same, if we click on left arrow, then it will jump to 2, then it will jump to 1. Okay, means when window is changing, it doesn't change the current page. So this is how the pagination I have done. I did not provide the ability to set the limit. Currently the limit is set to 5 tasks only: first, second, third, fourth, fifth task. So only 5 tasks will be displayed. We can do much more in this project as well, but okay. So this was for the demo of the application. And if we talk about these tasks we were provided with, so we are able to create a task. ठीक है, developer form allowing user to create task. Should we have title, description and due date, and add task to respective priority list. So we have priority, and according to priority it is displaying. Then there is task list. We had to display all the tasks with the help of pagination and ajax. Currently yeah mm, we are using axios to fetch, not exactly ajax. Showing the title, due date and status. एक minute. So pending and completed, there are two status. Although in the backend I have used why there is only one. Okay, maybe. So so in the title, task, I have used title, description, due date, priority. I have used 1 2 3, so that the sorting can be done easily. Then we have status, false and true. Then we have task editing. So we have this edit page to edit our task. Then we have task deletion. So discard. We have this delete task here as well and here as well. Task status update, we have option to update our task. Then user authentication, we are using user authentication to authenticate our user. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the task we were having. So user authentication is provided. Then we have priority management. So according to our priority, our task moves up and down. Then we have visual representation. Each priority list is color coded for quick identification. So medium is identified by yellow. If we have any low, added, then it will be green for the low priority. And if we have any tasks with high priority, so it will have red as color. So visual representation is also done. So this was for the project, and its code will be uploaded, it's already uploaded on my GitHub. I will be changing and adding comments to it, so it will be better to read it sorry, we can read it later. So thank you for the video. Sorry, I should be thanking myself.